Let's be clear, okay? And I mean crystal, so that we don't have to have any more back and forth or another debate. Men are masculine and they need women. Women are feminine and they need men. We work better in lockstep, in unity, and we crumble apart. Every civilization, every society has pretty much followed the same course of action and has put us in the same places time and time again. At what point, as the people, as the collective, we actually sit back, think, have a conversation, and make each other understand that we are all needed. I don't give a damn. We are all needed. But if we're together, we work better. It's as simple as that. We're out here talking about matriarch, patriarch, man, woman. See, I would never have to stand in my femininity as long as I have my woman, a woman. A woman would never have to stand in her masculinity as long as she has a man, her man. So understand, you don't have to switch roles. You just actually have to do yours. Do your job, and everything around you will succeed. It will grow. It will prosper. But there is order and structure to all this madness and chaos. Quit being fooled. It is so simple. Yet, the main two players in this game are being played for pawns instead of living or doing or acting as kings and queens. It's foolishness. Again, we work better together, and we're horrible separate. Yes, we can, do it, dilly and dabble and do some things on our own, but when we're together, we're unstoppable. There's nothing that can defeat you because it has to go through me. There's nothing that can defeat me because then it has to actually come through you. Just understand. This is the perfect unity, the perfect combination. That's why it has to be tore down each and every day, every second of any moment present. It's simple. Quit letting these people play on your intelligence. Quit letting them tell you what to do or whom to be or how to act. You're better than that. You was born with something that can't be created by men. Not artificially. Peace and love.